Okay, so I'm going to be replacing the gear shifter in the 2009 Dodge Nitro. All you have to do with this piece is pretty much stick in here and pry it down. That way your gear shifter should just automatically pop up. And I'm going to be switching it out with the katana sword. So, I'll take this piece off, slide this on, make sure it gets a nice fit. Okay, after that, they have these little tiny screws you put in. There is 2 on each side, so I believe there are 6 total. Put those in. I don't know why it doesn't automatically drop completely down, but oh well. Put all these little tabs in here. They're so small I barely could get my hands on them. So, slowly feed each one in. Go around to the back end. And once they are completely in, make sure it's level set. And there you go. The katana sword gear shifter knob.